Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doogee S61 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the passwords and accounts. You can also use this Google section, but to be honest I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and then let's tap on add account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here we've got all the info. And let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. If you want to learn more about the backup, just check our video about it. So as you can see, we just successfully added the Google account to this device. And of course, if you want to, you can always remove it. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. Tap on OK. Of course, we will have to verify ourselves, so just enter the pattern, PIN or password. And as you can see, the Google account will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.